Hi guys, welcome to another video. So in this video, we're gonna talk about the float data type. So let's start. So the float data type is used to store floating point numbers. These numbers are very common in financial stuff. Okay, so you're gonna use them a lot. So let's start by creating a simple example. Let's store the pi number. Let's start pi, which if I'm not mistaken is 3.14159265. I remember with this decimal points. Let's print this on the screen. Pi value is, we use %f to print the content of a float variable. Let's compile and execute. Okay, so you guys can see we have this. We only have 6 decimal values. This is the precision of a float variable. Okay. So operations also can result in float variables. For example, if I have n equals 5 divided by 2, this will result in a number 2 because we cannot divide integer by another integer. So this is where the float data type comes to play. Okay, so this is, I'm not talking about this now. Okay, so we have this. What if we wanna store a longer number? Well, you can use a if you have to store a higher number, but this number doesn't need to be negative. There are ways around that, but I'm not talking about this now because it's going to be very complicated. But for the sake of this video, just keep in mind that you can do this. Okay, so this is how to create a float data type in C. So if we can, hope you guys enjoy it, and see you guys next time.